WhatsApp is bringing monetization to their platform. The same way you watch video on Facebook and people monetize their videos on Facebook, now it's coming to WhatsApp. And the same way you have watched adverts at the beginning of this particular video, and if you have not seen an advert at the beginning of this video, believe me, before the end of this video, you are going to see an advert. Now imagine WhatsApp bringing that into their platform. A lot of people are going to become creators all of a sudden, bringing the vibes of Facebook. Now people are going to shake bomb on their WhatsApp story and status, all because monetization is coming. This is actually what I believe when I saw the news yesterday, that WhatsApp is bringing monetization to their platform. But unfortunately, that is wrong. But you are still going to make money on WhatsApp, but it's not that simple. It's not the way Facebook is doing their own or YouTube is doing their own. I'm going to explain to you in this video, but before you start, I want you to click the subscribe at the bottom of this particular video and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop more other videos on this particular channel. So basically right now, what exactly is WhatsApp bringing to their platform? They call it monetization tools, monetization, because what we know as monetization is you trying to make money from what content you create, or probably using a platform, you make money from it. There are a lot of platforms that you can make money from. If you are in Nigeria, YouTube, you can make money from YouTube monetizing your content. You can make money from Twitter, which is X now. You can make money from Facebook. You can make money from, you cannot make money from TikTok. Yeah, you can make money from TikTok. Only you can earn some gifts on TikTok live and video gifts. But as content monetization, you can do that on TikTok in Nigeria. You can make money on Telegram right in Nigeria if you own a channel. I have a video for that. You can check my channel. But let's talk about WhatsApp. What exactly is WhatsApp bringing? But firstly, let me give you the news according to what WhatsApp actually uploaded. So according to Metrics, Nairametrics, they said Meta has announced a major changes to their WhatsApp updates tab, including 3 new features aimed at helping creators, organizations, and business grow their presence and monetize content. So that is exactly what WhatsApp is bringing to their platform. Now, I wanted to highlight 3 things on this particular news right here. They said it is actually 3 features that is going to help creators, organization, and business grow their presence and monetize content. So right now, the first thing out of the 3 things that WhatsApp is bringing to their platform is channel subscription. You might have seen channel on your WhatsApp on the update tab. Let me go over to my WhatsApp right now so you can see what I'm trying to say. So this is my WhatsApp right here, and basically you can see on the bigger screen right here where it says channel. If you come over to where it says updates right here, you can see update, and this is updates right here, and here you can see where it says channel. So these are the channels that are available on WhatsApp, and you can join any channel right there. Now, this is where the channel subscription comes in. So if you own a channel right here, if you own any channel on WhatsApp right here, you can basically now offer paid subscription whereby people can basically pay to subscribe to any of your channel right there. And now for people to subscribe to your channel, you need to offer a value, because if people are going to subscribe monthly for your channel or to your channel, you need to give them something that worth the subscription money they are subscribing for. So that is how it's going to help creators of channels to make money monthly for themselves. And now let's go over to the second monetization tools WhatsApp is offering to their users. So now it says promoted channel for discoverability. So basically right now, you can now promote your channel on WhatsApp. So any of these channels that you own, you can now pay money to promote all of this channel to reach more and larger audience. So basically you are the one paying money to WhatsApp for promoting your channel. So they call it a paid monetization tool. Now, let's go over to the third monetization tools, which I think every business owners are going to love and enjoy. So basically right here, it says ads in status for business visibility. So what this means is that the same way you watch Facebook stories and Instagram stories and you are going to encounter adverts of people, the same way you are now going to discover adverts on WhatsApp status now. So people can basically advertise their business and it is going to display on your WhatsApp status. So if you're basically checking people's WhatsApp story or WhatsApp status, you can encounter adverts whereby it is going to take you into their business page. So now let me clarify something out for you. WhatsApp said they are not in any way going to bring advert outside WhatsApp on their platform, and they are sticking to that particular rule because any advert you see on WhatsApp does not leave WhatsApp. What I mean by that is that any advert you see on WhatsApp is not going to take you out of WhatsApp. So if a business, let me just say Slick Through is probably trying to sell a book, and okay, I want people to join my channel, or probably I want people to come to my contact to purchase that particular book. I can promote my book on WhatsApp status, and it is going to appear on the status, and anybody that sees it and likes it and want to purchase can basically just tap on the ad and it's going to take them into my chat. It is not going to take them outside WhatsApp. It is going to take them into my chat. So you can see that is going to help business owners, especially people that sells any kind of materials, sells clothes, sell anything. It is going to take people into your chat and they can contact you directly. But the only cons here, the only disadvantage right here is that scammers can use that privilege to run some dubious scam and people can go into their DM directly. So this is the only disadvantage I'm seeing here right now, and you know, they know how they are going to fix it, but they are going to roll it out very soon. It is not out right now. They just announced the 3 monetization tools that is going to be available. But let me recap on those 3 things. Number 1, channels are going to offer paid subscription right now, which means you can basically subscribe to your favorite channel on WhatsApp and you can pay per month to subscribe to this channel if you see some values that you can get from there. And the other thing is that you cannot promote your channel on WhatsApp, whereby it's going to show a lot of people your channel for them to join your channel. And the third thing is that businesses can now promote their DM. Let me call it that way. Businesses can promote their own DM on WhatsApp status, whereby people can see the advert and go into their DM directly and chat with them. If they want to buy anything or see them for anything, they can basically just go into their DM. So all these 3 tools, they call it monetization tools, but in real fact, you are the one paying WhatsApp some money. Apart from the fact that channels owners can monetize their channel, I don't know if WhatsApp is going to take some cut out of it, but they have not announced taking anything out of it. But now they said you can offer paid subscription on your channel if you own one. So those are the 3 monetization tools that will be available for WhatsApp users very soon. So WhatsApp has said from the beginning that they are not going to run adverts externally on their platform, and I think they are sticking to that. So like you see adverts of Google or somebody adverts or flyer right on Facebook or on WhatsApp, it's not possible. It's just strictly everything on WhatsApp. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Those are the 3 monetization tools that will be available for WhatsApp very soon. So thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you later in another video, and I'll be saying bye for now.